in Bangkok, we've got 3 nights in the Radisson Blu Plaza, and it's cost us for 5 rooms for 6 people for 3 nights, €770, and these are the rooms. I think they're rather nice. The bed, I've already sat on it, it's really comfy. Yeah, I can definitely cope with this for 3 nights. And then this is the view from my window. So I've got a good city view there. And this is the pool. And we've got a rooftop bar as well. And a few nice restaurants, although I don't think we'll be eating in the restaurants. We have a fridge that's got some waters in it, which I'm gasping for a drink, so that's good. There is a kettle, lots of different teas and glasses and cups and coffees. There are lots and lots of charging points all the way around, and I've noticed that there are these extra different charging points for different things. There we go, safe. Oh, a torch, an iron, slippers, oh, dressing gowns. I'm not quite sure what the brush is for. And plenty of coat hangers. Is there a hairdryer? Because I've not brought the hairdryer. Yeah, there's the hairdryer. So, really well equipped rooms, and there are telephones all over the place. One there. One over there. And another one over there. Now, I think it's time for a little bit of sleep.